legs may give, but easy to let's try. In our time